Hey there, happy holidays and welcome back. I'm Mark and I'll be drawing a snowman for today's lesson. So this is a beginner level lesson, but if you need a little extra time, just go ahead and pause the video, catch up, and then once you're ready to continue, just hit play and continue. All you need for this project is a sheet of paper, a pencil, some markers, and an ink pen. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, my snowman's gonna be about this tall. So I'm gonna start with the smaller circular shape at the bottom of my page, something like that, and I'm gonna not complete the entire circle because then I'm gonna make a smaller one just above this. So this shape is going to be on top of the larger snowball, and then we'll stop again at the top. We won't complete it, and then once we get here we're going to create a scarf. So we'll do a curve like this, and then we can come with a little bit of a bend here, and then we can bend on this side as well. Let's do a little curve like that, and we kind of taper it a little bit, and then we'll follow this curve down below and we'll do another shape like that, and these are going to stop just before the edge. We'll come up like that. And then we'll have our snowman's head that's coming out of this scarf right here. And this is going to be the largest, smaller, and the head's going to be even smaller of a shape. And we're going to come up like this. And I'm just going to complete the whole circular shape. But at the top, we're going to put a hat on this snowman's head, so we don't have to go all the way. So right at the top here, I'm going to do this elliptical shape like this, and that's going to stop before we don't have to complete the whole thing. And then I'm going to come up on both sides and kind of taper so the hat gets a little bit taller at the top. And then we're going to create this little elliptical shape up here just like that, and then we'll follow the edge of the hat down here with another curve like this. And then we could put a little band ribbon shape around the base of the hat, and we'll curve like that. Alright, in the middle of my head here, my snowman's head, I'm going to put a little curve like the shape of a C. And then we're going to go over to the right. We're going to come down and point, and we're going to do another one that meets up. So it's kind of like this sideways triangle. It's going to be our little carrot. And you could put some little grooves in there just like that. Then we could do two eyes. So I'm going to do one eye on this side. I'm going to do another eye on that side, and we could put a couple little highlights in there. I'll do some eyebrows like this on the top of each of those eyes, and then we'll do a smiley face like this. Okay, we're going to come down and finish the scarf. So I'm going to do two curved shapes and add some little triangular shapes at the base. And then we're going to kind of come up. And I'm going to do another curve that comes out this way with a couple more shapes like that. And then if you want, you can do some stripes over here on your scarf. So these will be little bands of color, and I'm kind of wiggling this shape because this side here has like a little wiggle to it, and I'll just do that like this, and then you can continue those stripes in the scarf here as you go down, and the same on this side. I'm just going to offset them a little bit so that they don't line up 100%. Alright, now we can add some buttons. So we'll put one button over here, and then we could put another one down there. And then we'll do some arms. So we'll just kind of have these little arms of wood sticking out the side. We'll connect those two lines with a little bit of a curve. And then we just pulled a branch from a nearby tree, so this branch is just going to have two little extensions. They're kind of like these V shapes for the hands. And we'll do one in front here, and then the other one's going to be on the back side. So we're just going to come off of the edge of the snowman's body, and we'll come off like this, and then we'll just do two more V-like shapes like that. And then if you want to put a little like elliptical shape down here with a shadow, we can do this. So grab yourself an ink pen and outline your drawing. Using an eraser now, I'll gently erase all of my pencil lines. Now if yours didn't turn out like this, it's okay. Just go down to the description below. You can click that link that I have in there, download the copy of my coloring page, print it out, and just have a lot of fun coloring this in. Well, I hope you enjoyed drawing this Frosty Snowman with me. If you did, please like the video, why not? And go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do videos like this every weekday, and you don't want to miss any one of them. So until the next one, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.